This is everything I eat in a typical day as an eye surgeon in Los Angeles. It's 180 grams of protein, about 2,300 calories, and honestly, it's friggin' delicious. The best part, I only spend 2 hours a week meal prepping. Hey everyone, I'm Dr. Jon Go. I'm an ophthalmologist working here in LA. Over the years, I've lost 75 pounds and I've managed to keep it off, even with the crazy 60 to 80 hour work weeks. But first, let me show you what my meals used to look like. I grew up in a Filipino household. Everything had to have rice with it. We always had to eat rice with ulam, or a protein. The problem was the quality of the protein in the context of tons of rice. Everything was deep fried or fatty. When we weren't eating Filipino food, we were eating American food like burgers, hot dogs, steaks, usually with tons of mashed potatoes, fries, and onion rings. A lot of people might think it's not all that bad, but it prioritized carbohydrates and high-fat protein sources, and it neglected whole foods like veggies and fiber. So instead, I replaced that with this. I'm only half kidding, because in the mornings, I normally fast around 11 to 12 a.m. The only thing I'll have is black coffee, which is 0 calories. The caffeine helps me stay sharp during clinic, and fasting has been shown to increase fat burning. Insulin is a hormone your body produces, and it usually signals your body to build. Can be muscle, but specifically for our example, to store fat. But when we fast, insulin levels in our blood are low. This creates an optimal environment for our body to burn fat. Lower insulin levels are key for enhancing fat breakdown. My first meal of the day is around 12 p.m. between my morning and afternoon clinics or between surgeries. This week it happens to be 3-cup chicken with rice and eggplant. I prep all my meals over the weekend and have been really into healthifying Asian recipes lately. Ends up roughly being about 500 calories and 50 grams of protein. After work around 6 p.m. I'll have my second meal. Sometimes it's another meal prep, but today my girlfriend's coming back from out of town, so I want to make dinner fresh. Today I'm making a 1-pot Enoki rice with beef and egg. I'll flash the recipe here on the screen, but it's super easy and it's gonna end up being about 500 calories, 50 grams of protein as well. Yo, what's up guys? So it's about 6 p.m. I just got back home from work. Usually I would eat a second meal prep at this time, but I'm gonna make dinner tonight because my girlfriend's coming back from a business trip. So we're gonna make beef enoki mushrooms. It's a quick 1-pot meal. I've been wanting to try this recipe out for some time, so come follow me.
Start by getting all your ingredients ready. Your protein's mainly going to come from the beef rolls, but I'm adding some eggs here to supplement. Any cut of beef will work, but for ease, I just use the pre-sliced shabu brisket rolls. Set this aside. You want to wrap the thin slices of beef around the bundles of enoki mushrooms, or if they're pre-cut, just thread the mushrooms through like I'm doing here. You want to get your rice ready. I use the traditional short grain rice here. Combine everything into a rice cooker and adjust the amount of water and cook time to make it more or less porridge-like, depending on your preference. Don't forget your seasoning. I use soy sauce, mirin, and a touch of monk fruit sweetener. Once it's done cooking, the beef is tender, the enoki is perfectly juicy, and the flavors come together beautifully. Serve it up hot and fresh and add some green onions.
So after these 2 meals, I'm right around 100 grams of protein and 1,000 calories. That's where snacks come in. Snacks are important because they help you hit your protein goals, and they also help control appetite throughout the day. Snacks used to be my downfall. I'd find myself reaching for whatever was available, especially on long surgery days. But now I keep strategic snacks in my office and at the OR, which, as you might guess, are high in protein. My go-tos are Fairlife protein shakes, quick and easy from Costco. Greek yogurt, pro tip, you can squirt Mio flavoring liquid in them to switch up the flavors. And also, I like to eat Halo Top ice cream as a reward at the end of the day. I'm always stocked on snacks just in case my schedule changes unexpectedly or a surgery takes longer than planned. So that's what I eat in a typical day, a system that's flexible, high in protein, and keeps me energized for the demanding work that I do. And the best part? Meal prepping for myself and my girlfriend takes less than 2 hours a week. After that, I don't have to worry about what I'm eating. It's all taken care of. If you are interested in seeing exactly how I meal prep for a busy week, check out this video right here. I think you'll love it and find it super helpful.